there is a problem to address.
Karibu katika kanisa la Deliverance Church ya 7:30. Siku ya Jumatano tuko na 1-on-1 kuanzia saa 4 mpaka saa 11 ya jioni. Mungu akubariki sana mpaka tutakapokutana tena Jumamosi ijayo. Amen.
It's true. I agree with you. No, I need to go up. I need to get to school. So I stand in my video. How can you understand it? Ketika matukambe ada tu busy. Ni orang tiba kan orang koligi lihat nanti koligi lihat di luar boleh. Nah tu kau kuat lagi orang. Yup, tu sok. That's all mine. Yes, sir.
Ayana mangana maya asenjera yobe.
Macho motegari charagire jinsa ibere chabana batuko nayana mangana maya ko radio buna 102.0 FM asenjera yobe editorial Alfred Meya. Agarai au kurua ase kaunti ya Kisii ni gove sokirie na kurua okobori ya gocha asabasai agu barobereti korobekana ritukore Jumatatu bune enchera yo ikirania ritukore asabasaba okorokorobekana ase enchera yo morembe bakrowana Abel Sonkorogena rayabu ni gobo igomba bori abanyanyimbo gotatumeka chingurugweta ni kerengo chingaki ichukorobekana. Chingaki chicho abarai kurua ase kaunti ya Kisii egoni wababulire serikali ye kaunti yo kubanga abanjoreria ase njere gwenerete iyo omochobosongo otware omochoko bakora wano MCA we wodi anyateko woda Vincent Ekone igombo baganire lichiko kobwatiwa chingaki chokwenyorera endemero ase kaunti yo. Abarai dini ya Kiislamu kurwa ase kaunti ya Mombasa nigo bamuganire muraibwense William Ruto okorwa gachi bomusigiti ase nyumba y'uburaibwense haniga gocha maiga y'umuraibwense koene kebuna ikanisa ni agachire ase nyumba y'umuraibwense bakokwana chingaki bakorobekana aso kwa melio wetu kweri chiko nekigambero y'ogwanchira umwana onyorire isiko y'enyomo koba omonyamwando barayaboni go bamutakire kokora ubwagachi bw'umusigiti asenseme yo erinde koreta abakenya b'ekidini cyonsi yamo ikiagera inyumba y'umuraibwense negati yebyorokereryo bikoreta abakenya amo. Ayuni gati yanda mange ngandate ukwarganiria kurase mesa ya mangana mayari diovuna iriteria ni Alfred Mia.
Oyo noro mwerio wa mangana maya asenjera yobe. FM. Ikihungu by'urituka munagekora intu asuri na Salome Nyakunde.
55 kibungo kya egya kabiri naseki mukuru kibese cyeinu kugura igintu gitari indagera naseki mukwerose gukora emirimo aseki gitari goisanikia ntegerere muigwe naine muri yerengia na mugokere indagera enuru Isaya 55 kibungo kya egya kabiri naseki mukuru kibese cyeinu kugura igintu gitari indagera naseki mukwerose gukora emirimo aseki gitari goisanikia ntegerere muigwe naine muri yerengia na mugokere indagera enuru
Kirali tukure Jumamosi gochakira nseyemo ya Maragoba.
Abarai n'amagenderero.
Abarai n'amagenderero.
Nonde megayigana n'ebikoroto byonsi n'ekibuti ntegerero tomurobyo bwa abarai n'amagenderero.
Wati tariki na nyachaye Brian Bright.
Uyore ruoti yamwana yobora yubuja asikusiye ngima.
Bright. Bright. Agutokere leo kuboreria lya kuringite bitukaserine buno mu Kenya bobo gusigwantere gutayo. Abarai n'amagenderero kira Jumamosi kurenseyemo ya Maragoba gusi Kenya n'insingi manege tigerete.
Nyamira, Kisumu, Kenya, East Africa,
Milimani Academy.
Excellent school.
Oh, that was excellent.
Yeah.
Now there is schools.
Kira tukure Jumamosi gochakira nseyemo ya
You open the
Maragoba.
branches.
Very good schools.
Abarai n'amagenderero.
School.
Abarai n'amagenderero. Abarai n'amagenderero.
Uyo nyereze gusa.
Megayigana n'ebikoroto byonsi n'ekibuti ntegerero
Yeah,
tomurobyo bwa abarai
but I
n'amagenderero.
intend to have schools.
Wati tariki na nyachaye Brian Bright.
Uyore ruoti yamwana yobora yubuja asikusiye
Kile
ngima.
sana.
Ajira.
Bright. Agutokere leo kuboreria lya kuringite bitukaserine buno mu Kenya bobo gusigwantere gutayo. Abarai n'amagenderero kira Jumamosi kurenseyemo ya Maragoba gusi Kenya n'insingi manege tigerete.
Right, asante sana kabisa Mkenya ndonsi aliyasoli mena isiko ya Kenya. Karibu sana somo robelio wabarai na amagendera sobotukobo igabo rero botukobo gitariki esano mutinyu gatano kabere mwaka w'ikirubere 2025 andonsi aliyasoli ngo kwani na ko aligania ndo Kenya chai Brian ere bro bright sobotukobo igabo rero mwancho mutegereri tugochikunyara kuba tukutwari nkwana igoro ya amangana yekisemi nkwana na kulireteira to abantu gutwara wiki yaita lakini bano yuturanyara kuba tukunyatwara sobo tukobo igabwa rero ekano to kuligireria gutambuka asa mangana iga CBC especially gutambuka kurwase junior secondary go chase senior school abo igasobo agaramangana ali agendera ta sensemo yekisemi na gotokonya kulireria ngane ya sobo imetali ondei kwa na Professor Henry Onderi uyolega igase studio chinga bune chigana igotore live aliasomo mtandao o YouTube na boiga somo mtandao Facebook igotore live kabisa mwanchi kutegere na kulireria nkwani ga ayemo ase ayemo aliasomo mtandao YouTube na boiga somo mtandao o Facebook lakini asechinga kichigante to ko alibagako mwaligania Professor gaiga se studio elinde tunyara ko batugo kwana monere ntangongi gwe radio funa hello okay sawa asante sana my brother radio funa hello injembe yande Okay. Alright. Right, asante sana kabisa aka robot Radio Vuna. Hello. Wairebia. Yes, mwego wasio. Right, asante sana kabisa. Koro alikisemo chia Geta D Radio Vuna. Hello. Aha. Wairebia director. Okay. Right. Right, asante sana kabisa director Senginjo Chingaki. Mbugoli yesimi yomwelio Radio Vuna. Hello. Wairebia tata. Aha. Safi. Asante sana basi bano mwanjo kutegera chinga kina chechi especially ayo moiboli nawe gonye ko bwato mwana aura samangana yega CBC anene bali bagosoka kurwa junior school gocha senior school chinga kina chechi abantu kanyara ko bakago tegera lakini mapema na lenke na abagaka bamasikani sana kurukize mu kiriyali cyabo maliba nali rangango ikagaya se studio ngo basogalinde cyakamere Pastor Thomas no mu rugyo Elizabeth Murama sese kurwali kinsemecho cha matongo Amose Jomo no mu rugyo ya Sabina Jomo alafu Petro Otieno no mu rugyo Alexena Mora hamone familia yabo yonsi Bernard Monda no mu rugyo kurunga Gladys Monda na bana babo bonsi Jared Gesocho no mu rugyo kurunga nere Rebecca Mora Thomas yole Chachelda libo maliba no mu rugyo kurunga nere Jane Thomas kurugese mu Samuel Isaka Tika liko musuguri ya Michael na Ambrose kurwa libo maliba Full Gospel na Michael Francis no mu rugyo Esther Michael na mumuromo abo Josephat Yaro pamoja na Bishop Josephat Yaro no amaigana nyara kubango nyeki ne limetenga chinsechi iko mo standby kwebuga ngaki professor akonyara kuba gako lenta chisemi chiabene kaiga sobotuko bwigabwa lero entara chikonyara kubango molenta ayemase mo professor bno botambe chingona ngo kwalika ni gaso mo rubeli bobaraina amagendero ne chinkona chikotokuna buna aba Kenya. Alright, Professor, karibu sana. Botambe is a pleasure to have you as a studio.
Vijamono Moralia,
Yes.
Brian. Najazo ko ngari as a studio.
Yes.
Avero mo ke kia nelia tinda yosene ngolengere yosene lia gatano.
Neken.
Wika studio to kona mangana.
Kabisa.
Na bali ba ngari ganiri ngo bakira ngambia mona so ko ngari gani. Wana ngo chaka tule murobodi.
Alright. So karibu sana Professor, by the way chitaito bwatene chinyinge nchaga kuchikona tingo chikora. Lakini the last time and kuruchinga kecho kabona timonye kaini who is the chair of the county education board.
Okay.
Still abantu bametanga naye.
Awo. Tinkumanya. Angala na weto. Mwako kali ko yo kabere. Esanduo.
Okay.
Lakini na onde introduce yo ko wala.
Correct.
Mwanjo motegereri aserieta angoro kwa Professor Henry Nyabuto Nderi. Professor Nderi garwedo macho magena. Asa guru konya mesocho. Professor Nderi igawe chairman ye county education board Kisii County koru 2014 mpaka 2024. Kuruwa uo mosike Nyagosia Patrick akabwatira uno nyakerugo we county education board
Okay.
simi yake ikomina kolete sai na banchite to kolega si neta kera se county board yani yarenge abantu 17 barenge constant kurumi yake yonsi komi waro change depending on the office wa utoka unaona kiombe kia balimu ya barusi yomo babekiro mwa olio kubekunero okobe member gokia bwate abantu bonsi pi asekere sector ye county amini ye economy ye mego te bango somie university kurunga Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University of Science and Technology Pondo Siaya bono gonde director ya Milimani Excellent School ya Milimani Kisii County no ya Milimani area ko tira kurua Krista Marian Hospital kuru mashauri ko tira Krista Marian Hospital abo ikari ore ke Magundu asa ko ngalonya homes no aero post and no wate kwende nene signpost on the director one
okay
iwonde somu ikiagera na somete isemi echeji ngosomia se university kone ngosomia course kurunga planning and economics of education.
All right.
Imantara agenda kuchikoba mu professor na wetu mwalimu munene we school ekurukirongolori ekera na kolite korua emesa primary na chete Summit High School.
All right.
Kana ile ko Summit High School kaenda Thika High School. Thika High School kaenda Kenyatta University.
All right.
Ubona nacho bero mwalimu na tumtumbe Girls High School Nyamira. Nawe umwalimu munene kero mwalimu na retired. Na mego tumukirongoli wana chiko Nyarosia. Na manya kuruo na agenda isiko ye country. Na chiko kosoma masomo. Ali amanena kuruwa masters and PhD. Kera Kenyatta na kora the Bachelor of Education yani kwenda HSM.
Yes.
Business and Economics.
Right.
Kama kwenda University of Reading in the UK. Ngakora Educational Administration and Management. Yani ndio OPM, Organization Planning and Management.
Okay.
Kama kora the same university. Kama kora PhD, Doctor of Philosophy in Planning and Economics of Education.
Right.
No ruo nacha kosomi Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University. Ekera na qualified ekera qualify una PhD ko doctor. Ko doctor of dairy.
Okay.
Wona ekero ko chikobe professor. Ikango semia abantu baminto understand ko professor niki. Ekero ko tuale title doctor. Kwa mego chaka osomia. Ko somie miaka gete. Ko supervise abana gete as a masters and PhD. Ko research, raise funds with just a university. Ko ogenda isikwendu outreach program na ona county education board. A program we now go outreach program. It is part of the things here we were Jacob professor.
Okay.
One of 2019 we were the professor of education.
Right. Actually, biography of Professor Ntojibuate. I'm going to run it soon kabisa tonyirorere including una kwa Google TV kuro tukuchia form 1.
Excellent.
Wakatacha.
Mini wana abantu batakere kumanyanga no muri kwita. Ngetabu kyo mo na ligete kurunga basic education in Kenya. A reality check.
Yes, actually, yes.
300 pages.
Tinga na credit somewhere.
Gia published in 2024 August.
Okay.
One no kere market all over the world. Mundu zote kumanya weji semi ya Kenya. No awoso mama nyanga inkikere.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lero kero kwali go introduce Milimani Excellence. To be get day.
The Milimani Excellence. Ekarna ye chagete ya kuna The Milimani Academy. Na waya met registered.
Yes.
One kera ya chigoika tutaweza introduce junior secondary. Tukamea konyeruka Milimani Excellence School.
Alright.
Kiagara lieta libono. Ndia kwa repeated. Kiagara wono go introduce to the junior secondary.
Alright.
School wege wata bana kurwa play group. PP1, PP2, grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're registered in the Ministry of Education.
Okay. Alright. So, Prof, karibu sana. Omwelio tuwa kuwana tega stila mangana yeje seminar tu kwenye kolia tu. Last time kala tuwale kuwana ka tuwale kutumikele kwa CBC. Competence based curriculum. Lero siku hizi kala kuna CBE.
Competence based education.
Yes.
Nitagete kwenye kuwana differentiate between the two.
And maybe wase nende nero kucha.
Inturanye manya. Keraji jeto jamanya. Eka tuwa chagete. Otuwa chagete kende kunga CPC. Competence based curriculum. Tali competence based system of education.
Okay.
Won't understand. Ono igekuru kwa CPE, competence based education.
Okay.
Kalego tuwa wate vune system nazo wate ya lenge 7, 4, 2, 3. Meaning 7 in primary, kore CPE, 4 years in secondary, kore KCE, 2 years in high school, that is from 5 and 6, kore KACE, umeko ende university kore miaka 3. 1981 Mackay Commission change system kwetere commission yeye tukachaka 844 system of education. Hii officially yachaka in 1985. Egara yachaka 1985, the first cohort they are called the 844. We are called 1989 when the university 1990. One 844 I mean 8 years in primary, 4 years in secondary, and 4 years in the university. A system of education will change under normal circumstances. It get between 5 and 10 years. A cycle ya elire. Yama ya kuruwa ya reviewed. Ya changewa. Unfortunately, for whatever reason, CPC were with us for 39 years. Unusually. So changes had to be made. Ikame wojabono CPE, curriculum based education.
Okay.
Professor Douglas Odhiambo na jukumu ye task in 2012. We legally ngakito para to review the education system. But 844 had done a lot of work. I mean, had done a lot good for the people. And graduates are over 25 million Kenyans through the 844 system of education. Ikoto kwa a system where you dialengembe. Lakini there must be a review. Bono to kama tuara the bono to kanga CPE igere 3 then and to the 3 6 3. Number 1 abana bakuchakira CPE. I mean kuna na wate play group. They come account the PP1 PP2 grade 1 2 3.
Yes.
In the first system of education. I mean the first grades. To make 4, 5, and 6. Bago ka 6 ngo karabara matemba ko kipsea. Kipsea kana college bagende grade 7 bono. Bago ka grade 7 bago ko junior secondary.
Okay.
Bago ka grade 7, 8, 9 year junior secondary. One of the first cohort to their CPE grade 9. One bago ko mwako bago karamatem KJSEA. Kuna bao kwa matemu ya KJSEA, I mean Kenya Junior Secondary Examination Assessment.
Yes.
Ego bao chikogenda grade 10. Grade 10, 11, 12. Geko kwa senior secondary. Senior secondary abana wone bao choosing and doing pathways.
Kuja tole kabu profa. Lakini kwa nini maiga the last time kero kuaringa kero tualete this conversation. Changamoto nchi alingo. Mnaona especially at junior secondary kwali konyala no mwalimu munene head teacher abali bali kirubalo le university bakumana kwarocha mwalimu kagwaka bande chindoe there was vuta ni kuvute the challenges there were issues cha infrastructure so far
very system of education ego chaka kendi yonsi keya
yes
nambe muntu wate dunga resistance to jaga is smoothly kebe there must be challenges. Challenge number one is resistance.
Yes.
Abantu kuboli wale ngakanya ka to kole bintu bimwe to jindu ngakibono ekingi. Challenges injiro up to now. Nambe KJ, I mean junior secondary.
Yes.
It's a new phenomenon. Here domiciled in primary schools. No evekire. Primary schools ke asevekire. Ati laboratories. Yet subjects wa you needed laboratory work. You can see the first challenge.
Correct.
Second challenge. Aba alimu wa get recruited for CPC. In Kiyu. That was last year. 2020, around 2022, which were quite earlier, were coming away with 30,000. Environment is like 52,000, 20,000 environment too. Abarimu aba tali barubaga n'iri se number which was on CPC or CPE.
Right.
Mbaga n'iri abangi mono, so shortage of teachers. Kwa kwenye urumu walimu oyomu Nero from grade 7, really, I get this grade 7. Grade 7 ni what 9 subjects. Mwalimu yoyo mnero was more than 9 subjects. Mwalimu yoyo, yada kirosomia science and technology. That I understand it. What is this science? Kiagera, era una get the university akora the history and religion, or history and Kiswahili, or Kiswahili and geography. Wana mangana yako mate yayo some physics, chemistry yako. Mwalimu wika agitated ngosomi at least. Is that teaching or entertaining? Most of these kids were entertained in grade 7. By grade 8, entertainment continues. Because number of teachers bara adequate to handle the junior secondary.
Right.
Wako at grade 9, the same music continues. Teachers were recruited are not enough, which was for me one of my junior secondary. So this cohort, are disadvantaged.
Okay. So the human resource issues, especially remove campus, affiliating and talk about a primary.
That's another thing. This one, one igango chakiri ko modero chakoro because wavera ngemiaka etoko. Nambe yemo umuntu okore bachelors abwati degree. Kawo cha primary umuntu kobe head teacher umuntu P1. Umuntu nera otageta aripoti wichisali na kote banga none grao soke school go soka. They felt demeaned. Waka feeling kango na bubako baji head rende kera masoma wana manake. You know, they are also about they are the majority did. Ekeli yakabiri. The setting of the staff room in primary may not be the same as the one on the teaching practice.
Yes.
The secondary schools. The staff rooms were not the same. One, you know, maybe in primary, kwanya was a desk starting a no one because government capitation through which which enough furniture. Again in secondary, zero. Kwanya Brambo were the relatively better furniture kubwa value. So it was a challenge.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Talking of head teachers, again CBC wana tokuruga CBE. Also ngirete abarimu bali batenda chikuru che primary ukutaka ba change their titles to principal. Remember they were saying one number went to upgrade the job groups from D1 to D2, D3 to D4 no wache ko banone chief principal D5 ibetiege ndege ngechete kaba sote
oh maana kwa mangana
yes
baba karokiru head teachers itagani wale kurukwa headmasters or headmistresses
yes
bagacha change bakarukwa head teachers woro rende kibaika junior secondary wale the heads secondary bakarukwa principals na barabu they were entitled bakarukwa principals wona kana bakarukwa principals
so kana ndiri principal
lakini whatever ngoji go change chi job group na bintu binde it depends on your level of education tiga tengano mo head teacher kuba the P1 toten nega we miaka yonzi ume expect no we promoted to the levels ichukwa uiga oteme komenta masomo kiara masomo gale nabo komenta ingakie nabo soma ko somia igo kale egende ngia lenge changamoto sana ekero waso ile school tiare ko possible igo soma lero ngosoma tole egende school based program was sandwich programs aliyo kogenda lie school ya kungiru lie bana basigire school na liyo kogenda school osome yes kwa upgrade your studies ya gera bono koja konyore grade you are entitled
so the headmasters sorry the principals
the principals why are they called principals they are handling what we call comprehensive school means go lower primary mpaka senior secondary
so igo currently the principals as a school primary and junior secondary igo nabwateri bagana bagukina ese komenda masomo to the position of a chief principal
you can grow why not
so we can have a chief principal in primary
why I may not tell that's teacher service commission role but I am suspecting masomo na haraka gero muntu promoted ngakiro ta promoted kwa yora masomo roje bona ga tubwata bali baba the PhD in primary ba so bona
all right
like baba the PhD doctors that are primary school teachers bono okorengera linga akaro muntu buno yo aisa konyora opportunity ya ta promoted he has to get the promotion
all right lastly totara suka gojia se shwe ya senior school mechando njare nko along abaibuli abalimu n'abana think around that time amangana alengo ngwa mwana otumirunga lete ngoko leta marionyo yengoko ile
CPC yes igo ekwende one of the components ne linga a teacher tadi yako somi umuibuli natakiriwo participate in the education of mwana umuibuli gasomi omwana yako nyumba omwalimu gasomi mwana bakubwaterana nakigiye kukunga collaborative teaching baibuli mbaje training baje gosomi oyo gosomi una bandi bachite lakini mwalimu gako give assignment oja so mwana umuibuli ju assist yo mwana ekaraleka as assignment ekarata kwenyara abantu bande mbaleka bagwerete kumubwatesia basisi umuibuli oyo kumanyangana kepono asinje the nature of the syllabus kera CPC oya takiri koba practical oriented hands on nagiye kogera unabona igaso kuruga totebe nerige no korosi mwana otebiwe a process yo korosi rigena yengoko bono lindo muibuli asa boko mubwatisi ko wake bichanga kyo mwana kana gokora ali chikoni kogenda ebindi byatumira umwalimu oronga maene gasi yakareki yakorekana abaibuli bamata gwate chingaki na bono bagwate mechano chingaki yo interact na bana babo kiagera umwana ere namanyire ngakawe ikaka ngo bara assistant umuibuli umwana wikaka takanyorene assistance bono kwanyore conflict kati y'omwalimu n'omuibuli n'omwana omwalimu blame omwana nga tokora ti assignment omwana blame omuibuli nga ngwata kego nkonya to tonkonye omuibuli mwabatenga omwalimu yansumbwete kiagera nero ngeire gaza lakini tali omwalimu ogerete esira basi yale go dictate yes
right asante sana mwenje butegele nkwane ya masemo kaiga nere Professor Henry Onderi tukuliriga iga mangana yechisemi ane nomoro beriga okurukunga CBE ngaki ogendrete so profunde tutambuke kuligereria bono transition ye kurwa grade 9 kuche grade 10 to 12 use junior secondary to senior school. We're talking about about 1.2 million babwanto mwaka gocha gosoa grade 10. Abayibuli nabo kiwa bwamo nabo kyababo liboli ndiringa what criteria is going to be used kubeka abana basiche skuru au in senior school.
Thank you very much. Nambeyemo.
Yes.
Abana ba grade 9. Gokora bara matem na gotebya ku KJSEA, Kenya Junior Secondary. Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment.
Yes.
Matemu aya kerobaya kolire ubwate kanale kurumage gabunaga kolira matemu aya. It will continuous assessment.
Yes.
Amaya komentera unali akolete grade 6 ingwa Kenya Primary Schools Education Assessment KPSEA. Ekera komentera niwa amanya kumanywa umwana uyu ngayawo chikoba placed. But one placement it will depend on 3 pathways. Medio sawa ndo aminto banyuwete. Ebindi biguma 3 pathways na bia chandira abantu sana. Pathways jire 3. Number 1 iguma STEM. STEM, S stands for science. T stands for technology. E stands for engineering. M stands for mathematics. Oyo nuli okora science choka. Pathway yemo. Pathway number 2 igwa social sciences. Social sciences igibwate mangana humanities, yani geography, history, religion and what have you. A pathway yagatatu igwa arts and sports science. Wana bantu bali babo kipichoye koino keino no egasi nere yuwa mangana ya sports, creative arts, kwa creative and drawing and design ibintu ngamwe abantu bakaba creative abantu mukorora bakora drama here and there abone ibintu bibi bawichoka ekwende pathway nere hiyo.
Okay.
However, ebina ibona byo determine as umwana ko placed. Tumaya gocha isukuru ojigocha go depending on pathway kibago choose. Isukuru igetakire go choose ki pathway either yemo osibere osisatu kiri cyose. Esukuru na bego choose STEM, social sciences and arts and sports science. Esukuru yende choose ibere ejisa zona yacho remo. School B emago choose STEM and social sciences choka. School C emago choose maybe STEM yoka, sciences yoka, ose arts and the sports science. Ose social sciences yoka. Igo waigulenga school depends nga facilities chikalei chigo chokogera abana batuwale which pathway. Yani school yetu wale which pathway. Omwana gakogenda grade 10 igata kiri strictly kochora a pathway yemo. Either ochore STEM, osochore social sciences, osochore arts and sports science. Bintu bireka. I mean, message. One.
All right.
However, I can also one other will choose 7 subjects. The subject I mean 7 inye ojikuruku core subjects. Jirikere every pathway yokora. Umwana mago choose the other 3 kurwazi pathways ichisatu. Strictly ibere kurwazi pathway I choose really. Amenyo genda STEM. Actually 2 subjects from that other than the 4 actually the 2 subjects kurwa se pathway totebe STEM agenda actually physics chemistry maybe na wara actually on geography from the other pathway the social science na wara actually creative art here under art and the sports science iko umwana igagucha kochora 7 subjects core subjects chimanyire maths Kiswahili and I mean English or Kenya sign language and then some of those core areas
yes
so the 4 ichiko core ichimene tikero umwana wakakara kachikole
also community service
ndire kiama yiko kisumu mathematics very compulsory
correct
endo kilikuwa kuwa na challenge jabe challenge kabe ne sana ngaki mathematics yabe tebo igona kiraruku tukamya kanyaranga na maths ike ona core subject one of the core subject ngolengera abantu bamintu banyigure bono umwana ekera ucha kwa ende school ba assist unamumanya the ability of your kid numa edingo yera ga kiasi sabu tari kwenyara science ari ko tari kwenyara tiako mufunze chiko kora science motiga choose a subject area siria igwete nga na chakwenyara
okay
ayabono kumuassist nga na bondo charanga arts I mean social sciences geography was score 90 lakini mathematics was score 20 physics was score 10
okay
wono to kuji tamba cha kokora STEM ikira te pathway yao yeah
okay all right
na kwa maana pathway
yes
will determine the future career yo mwana
okay mbona tuachakire huko hiyo ndora kwa hiyo bado professor ndora kwa hiyo the curriculum maega on the assessments I understand the voucher for your moiso grade 9 is around 60%. Then there is 2020.
Yeah.
Yamakaba in total 100%.
Yes.
So as a chi assessment, continuous assessment. Role chico play elinde kuchiko make determination nga omwana yo mpato kiaraswa.
Wabekire 60%
yes.
KJCE. Umwana oyo continuous assessment testing ko very cumulative. Grade 7, 8 and 9. Grade na kipse elia kwa grade 6.
Yes.
Grade ndi chachi ko ikaji contribute. The 40% remaining. Grade ya contribute. Njiku jidi ko determine ndo umwana oyo pathway kya kokora.
Okay.
Ngonyore kokora buya se chikati yo continuous assessment tests or these assessment tests yo ba kokora abali mbali determine umwana oyo is strong in sciences is strong in arts wone karago cha wikali yao kora matemo ngida bakoreka nanga sa korete buya muno na se arts not sciences ile sa bako placed in arts instead of sciences.
Okay.
Kegara matemu haya kare utu wakora matemu kora for 2 hours ya determine your future lakini bona matemu gare spread which is very good igoro talinga na ali yo moel yoka I will determine your future.
Okay. Yeah. Don't you see professor ine na vera basa kwiriro mwana anyoro bekirwa se atabwana tia kwa romete professor generally na boko karabo bekati. Again, unfortunately, Kati is contributing to your final mark.
Good. Donc linga ki Kenya obuya Kenya. Bolinga karukwa nyolinga into mbetu na watakete. There is a provision for appeal.
Okay.
I am sure in the wisdom of your ministry there will be a provision. Mwana nyatabeti placed in the pathway ya takete. About an appeal elinde have allowed which will join a pathway na wale very strong in sciences imanya kwa make STEM
yes
pathway what will stop you from appealing and the arts and mean, and okay, social sciences, yes, or strong in, you can be allowed to do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you're saying, still academic performance
Yeah, everybody tell me.
is very critical.
Yes, that's the truth.
Is not so far given Kurasa 844.
Yes, ideally, the difference in 844 into what the CATS or continuous assessment tests. 844 into what the KPSEA or KJSEA. 844 into what abarimu baku determine ngana ki oji kuba placed which school. 844 into what the school categorizations. This is a national school, this is extracurricular school, I mean extra county school, this is a county school, this is a sub-county school in 844. This time round, those categorizations are required. You go what a school a pathway, you call it a target.
Okay.
Yes, that's the difference.
Okay. So Prof, when you mwana, for example, report you have represented in Amonoyo in this assessment, you can 20%. You 20%, 20%, whatever. So a report card you got 20%. Of course, they got the one numbering of and so forth. In this 20%, how do you determine 20% you say was based on Nakiakolete Sabu, Swali, and so forth, and Nakiakoleta Mangana sports? Is there a way? Elements
score. But I am Moelio, it's the which Kovangana key that criteria to make the kind of show Kangana.
Because when I was 19%,
yes,
lakini kumbe 16% was from Chikosori.
Exactly.
But so, then 19% is good because a step.
I remember what the criteria you would determine again by the criteria about score on your sports in Bawet and this mark. When you get to get the Bawet and this mark, maximum is this, maximum is this, cumulatively the 20 marks. You go you score at 5 mono. A score 2, a score, but the cumulative we got 16 is out of 20. As in they go recording now call it but a record in a in every subject area in Kiampalette. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So there is a way of unpacking.
Yes.
You got a Professor Montaque Unichire.
Tokumanya we go itere or check it. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So Tura say you say do mono ya 7 subjects.
Yes.
In your compulsory.
Yeah.
That is Maths, English, Kiswahili, and Community Service.
Yes.
A debate around the sciences, especially a subway. Initially, these other pathways apart from STEM back or sub. There is also a discussion. Maybe you verify no only subway pathway sports and social sciences. They talk about the same mathematics. STEM I don't know how true is that.
Essentially, a ministry now pronounced itself in that. That mathematics is uniform all over. Remember, in the 7-4-2-3 system of education, in the Gigiarengo, mathematics is categorized into 2-3.
Yes.
There is mathematics with some specific schools. There is a mathematics that, so it is nothing unusual about it. It has happened before.
Alternative A,
alternative A and B. That's the point. So those alternatives are they are not saying they are going to do anything cheaper than the other or easier than the other. The idea is go and go to our alternatives in terms of the the mathematics, which is a good idea. Alternative is they can you. I cannot tell alternative A, we go way, Manyangaye, we do Quenyara. You do Quenyara, alternative B. That's it.
Okay.
We were doing that. And that's what is going to be encouraged. at this time narva kole kabiriyo, which is a good idea. Nalia ni wezi kubeke ukirege the uniform na kwenye ready for 4 ya lengi. That's why kwa kunga wana ba fail in mathematics and maths. Because kero montare categorize it in one kwende in the one grade, which is wrong.
Yeah. Okay.
The ability of moto ige go vary. So in mathematics we kayari go vary kiagara we give vary kiagara not everyone like the maths. The same is going to happen during the CPE. So they have to have those alternatives.
Okay.
They have no choice.
So need discussion around going with the decision agreement.
I think a Minister for Education here, he was very categorical that it's not going to be the same mathematics. Each pathway, a choice on the kind of mathematics. Is it alternative A or B? It's in order.
Okay. Is it the same thing as the sciences? Maybe pure applied sciences?
No, they only talked of mathematics. But when you look at STEM, that is purely sciences.
Yes.
But social sciences, there might be some element of science, which again happened during that 7, 4, 2, 3. We used to have pure sciences and the general sciences.
Yes.
It's going to be the same. So ideally in the 844 we didn't have that categorization. One, there's nothing wrong with doing it now. To general science we combine chemistry, biology, and physics. General science. Again, regarding the pure science, we work on physics separate, chemistry, biology separate. This is going to be the same for anybody who works STEM. For you to be a doctor, for example, you must perform excellently well in those sciences: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, and possibly geography or whichever.
Okay.
So, to expect social science, as you go to the same in pure science, we got to a general science. As if we go combined, you make a subject.
Okay. Yeah. So, you mean anything on your one car system? Automatically for a pure sciences. On your mathematics for alternative A.
Possibly, I'm not sure, but I'm saying Korua say when you take the example, Korua say the whole system, then it goes without saying that is going to happen. Yeah.
So when you carry social sciences,
maybe some general science, but when we understand this is purely pure science. The reason being, you're going to be a doctor, you're going to be an engineer, you're going to be what do you call it? All related engineering, mechanical, civil, and what have you.
Okay.
How can you do it with a general science? You will do it with pure science.
Pure science.
Yeah.
So no one of the social science go alternative say B maths.
Yeah.
And the Kolbe is also good at maths.
Yes, I'm not disputing the fact.
As much as not alternative B. A great certificate in those classifications. Because at the end of the day,
I may not know. That's preempting the ministry's decision.
Okay.
And when we go by what we were told, there would be no same exam in mathematics come the end of senior secondary education. Isn't it? That's what we were told.
Okay.
So we don't know. This is going to be the first time they are going to do this exam. Or the question is,
yes.
Lakini yote tu mwana agenda to the STEM. And ensure I got very strong in science and mathematics.
All right. Kuja tulika prof especially role yo moibodi lakini asechide ke chinga tanra samangana me yasenjiro bo ikrano. A little bit as a subject of community service. What is this? Into kiki.
Again, thank you. And the ginger in Kero Rokonya.
Yes.
Who is going around to Bataraga and the university, including myself, to get the National Youth Service. National Youth Service to get the train skills. Show Kalevito to enhance development in the community.
Okay.
Avanava, Batagiri Kumanya, but were conscious about their surrounding. Community service nelio oko cover ujikorua a service for free. You don't have to be paid, but you are paying back to the community. You ayo mwanafunzi nayo pay back to the community.
Okay.
Parane what makaravati ya teacher no kuba involved ya soko ya teacher. Orosana hichere para wako involved ya soko ravi.
Okay.
But rende ga igara ronkoranga the use of akoravia under the program ya kazi mtani. So it is the same. Again, there is no payment expected.
Okay.
But it is making people very responsible, very conscious. A community nero evaganiti. Very tayari go pay back to the community.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the community service.
So subject the nero assessed.
It should be. Kiagalende ngakiora korome kishuango kero mwana. To that conscience.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the way to.
All right.
Yeah. It's a compulsory subject.
So it's likely one of us they will get the same marks.
They may not get the same mark. Engineer my community service is not the same way. Now I'm very lazy. Like I am very smart. Okay. And actually they are trying to check on the attitude. It is attitude.
Yes.
Why? Umuntu ngene chafu ngike wona umuntu awandenjoka. Lakini umuntu kujikora igenteke with passion. Na bakiro je neke lakini with passion.
Correct.
One mwana uri ukora with passion, no ukora with an attitude negative. Egera nyote the same mark.
Right. Sante sana
kabisa. Naro taji ko participate. I think that's not my work. Egera we awarded or rewarded or graded.
Okay. Right, asante sana kabisa mwanchi mutegereria nkwane ya mase mogaga na Professor Henry Onderi tukunyara kwa tukurigirira liga especially amangana yiki semia nene gotambuka korwa junior secondary go cha senior school nkikeliyo bwa tukunyara kwa bakumanya kurina tuli baada ya mangana muya century go ikirina especially kurigirira sobo imenga ensemo ya uniriria ya runo muiboli kwene kingo mwano osoire aliase anda kuganeti go somwane bamenyene aganeti turategera mangana muya century yogo ikirana.
Aya namangana ya asinjira yuweke ime ya radio Vuna
mancho motegereri charagire chinsa isato chabona botuko naya naramangana maya asinjira yuwekirano kurwa radio Vuna 102.0 FM asinjira ere yuwekirano itangani tuemanya asinjira yuwengi gatia barai kurwa se county ya Kisii usabo murembe kobao chinga kicho korobekano kokoro beri tukira Jumatatu abantu kubuli bakubwate bibande amone kura bunenchera yamo yokoro kweroberia asoko chori buri bosyo abarai bedini ya Islamu kuganiwa gachibu musigiti gokorwa ase nyomba yuburai bwense ya State House ayo amona yanda mango mwanjo motegereri kugosogeria na gukwarigania twemanyie abarai kurwa ase county ya Kisii igo besokirie na kurwa okoboria gocha asabasae abo barobereti kurobekana ritukure Jumatatu bunenjere ya moyo wikirania ritukure 77 ukoro kurobekana asinjira ere yo murembe bakora wana Abel Sonko rogena yaboni gobo igoba buri abanyanyimbo gutatumeka chinguru gwetania ekerengo chingaki chokurobekana abantu
Aminto ba usi wanyagetinge ngima litkolia mandelia sabasaba nareko basorora abana ba minto abatata ba minto abo mama mwezi bali bose barasoka kisiko bakogenda amandamano bakore ibintu byase enchira yobo ngaini babasa kosalia ibintu byabande ogosalia ekolera isiko bwakorosia ebintu twarosirie tiabitiwe lakini abantu bakore no murembo muya abasikali nabarabo tigabarenda abantu nande barenda
Chingaki checho abaraikurwa ase kaunti ya Kisii baguriye serikali ye kaunti yo kubanga abanchoreria ase njira ewenete erio omochie obusungu otware omochoko bakorawa no MCA we ward ya Nyatieko Vincent Kekonem nigo boigo baganire richiko kubwatiwa chingaki chokwenyorera endemero ase omochio yo
security neta keire mo particularly asa abantu abaiga bagakora biashara mbalimbali town yetu neta keire ko bangwa bangwa in the sense onyene abantu bakoni amatunda bagotoka asigete tari bari scattered digo yani emine tinga oike county government kenyoro urimo kekere gento boronge echiro yagachungia echirere modern no koyi ko bakonkoya ebwate gari yomorero ime stage chibe boronge chitaigo obstruct yonde muna bana chima tadugire matari matadugire ke town ime amangana si pia bantu barakore leadership ye county government oboremo tari ebo chane chinguru ko ke county government ikore due diligence through lands ba manyango oboremo bo amayene no buango tari go cha busaigo kwanza kugito oboremo bo monto no oboremo abantu nigo baburiwe kubwata ebibande amone kura ninjire yamo yo kweroberia bwikirano ase obochori obonene burubosyo ukono koboria kurwa asomo MCA wensemo ya samita omukwero Joseph Ondari oyobo igo oganirie egasaku kyo mubusigo chamo na kubwatesia matiangi asiganga yayenyo kurigikero gwekenene kyoborai bwense asobochori obonene burubosyo nabo Ondari nigo agikerie ebikora byo goitwa kwabantu abo bakagirwa koba abarogi kwase ebunge yabo base ibikore bono byarekane komentekana asa matuka bango iga ase ensameyo
kinjure engakiye goika togenderere
igoige tumwezi na nkobasaba igakamuranje tubwate chikani igatubwate ebibande ekero twabwatire 2027 kebekerwanero gyaito na 20p nyorendi mwancha ekura ya ekero kwende bo president beka his excellency Fred Matiang'i
musonde igamungo otaraenigwa mwaka yakamoita kamusambira nyumba era akeng'ete tukirete matukaberata twiga tukurumo musasonde nemache rugoro oitire omuminoye agokenyeria abana bakurie enyama yo ya nyina amito baki
abarai b'edini y'Isilamu kurwa ase kaunti ya Mombasa nigo bamuganire omurai bwense William Ruto okurubwagachi bw'omusigiti ase nyumba y'oburai bwense niga gocha magega y'omurai bwense koeneke buna ekanisa niagachire ase nyumba y'oburai bwense ya State House bagokwana chingaki bakurubikana ase okwamereria ogwetwa kweri chiko nekegambero erio rigwanchera omwana onyorire isiko y'enyomo koba omonyamwando baria abo nigo bamutakire omurai bwense gokora obwagachi bw'omusigiti ase ensemo eyo erinde koreta abakenya b'echidini chionsi yamo ikiagira enyumba y'oburai bwense gose State House negati y'ebyorokererio bikoreta abakenya amo.
Tunainua sauti yetu na ombi pia twaomba, maadamu State House ni sehemu ambayo kwamba inabeba watu wa dini zote, kama ilivyopatikana jengo la Wakristo ama kanisa, nasi pia twaomba ipatikane jengo la Waislamu ili tukiwa sehemu kama ile, nasi tupate sehemu ya kuswali. Haya ni mambo ambayo kwamba yanagongana kabisa na dini yetu ya Uislamu. Tunauliza kama Waislamu, leo iko wapi haki yetu ya kuabudu ikiwa mmetutolea hukumu kama hii?
Mjue this time itakuwa ni biashara. Hawa wanawake wanarukaruka nje kule watakuwa wakifanya biashara na miili yenu. Anakuja anatembea na wewe na kuzalishia mtoto, anakuletea, anapeleka kotini, anakuja kudai. Utadaiwa ulipe, umwangalie yule mtoto.
Radio Buna abarari babatobo manyimbono Radio Buna abarari babatobo manyimbono Radio Buna
Ikenikia mangana niko gendete kutegera Radio Buna 102.0 FM omanyiwe buna wateka kurwa chingongo nye chense Mokonyi bumara ibwense kiture kindiki nigo agenderire wakira ikoko serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ase chinsemo au imeyense Akura abaraibe serikali yobwamo imeyorogongo rwa coast imeye county ya Mombasa kindiki nigo atogiri omuroberi obobo cheno sha asebo igo atogiri kubwatana hagati y'umurayibwense William Ruto amo n'umuraibe kyamagya ODM Raila Odinga Manyana kindiki nigo abamochire abaraibense mu yokwameria serikali asate buna tibabwati agenda ende yonsi
Wananchi wengi wameendelea kujiandikisha kwa SHA na wavulia kofia viongozi wa Mombasa na wananchi wa Mombasa kwa sababu katika idadi ile imejisailisha Kenya Mombasa County ndio number 1. Mimi namvulia kofia Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga na Mheshimiwa William Ruto fautisha mambo ya siasa na mambo ya taifa. Rais Ruto na serikali hii ndio tumeweka pesa zaidi katika maneno ya kufufua mambo ya uvuvi na uchumi samawati. Kuanzia Jumatatu ile kazi mtaani
Umuraibe kyamagya DCP Rigathi Gachagua wesokire na kumwacha omujumbe bwebunge ya Kikuyu Kimani Ichung'wah asukubwatirana ne serikali wetere kyombe kyoboringori ga DCI asukubabwata na kubachanda abasai batabwatia momocho kakukwana asomoyega wa matanga asesemo ya Mathira imeye kaunti ya Nyeri Gachagua nigo abasabira baraimeyense gotiga kubwatirana ne serikali asukubabwata na kubachanda abasai abo batabwati amamocho ande onsi
Go Thika and Peter Kawanjiro. The MP for Kikuyu ordered the DCI to have the two arrested because they are from Kiambu and be charged with burning the locals in Kikuyu and storming police stations in Dagoretti. They were arrested with no evidence, nothing, no charge, nothing. And the police went to court to say that they be given 21 days to continue with investigations. Our lawyers here, led by Lacheri and others, and I want to thank our lawyers, put up a very strong case that they need the witnesses to be identified and the facts of the case to be put before the magistrate. And in the two cases, the magistrate ruled there is nothing. There is no reason for them to be held. Moja akaachiliwa on free board, mwingine kwa cash bail ya 200,000. Huyu MP wa Kikuyu akatafuta William Ruto na akamwambia hiyo watoto wasiwachiliwe, lazima wafungwe. So polisi wakasema the only way, because now the courts have released them, there is no other way. They should be rearrested and charged with offenses under the Terrorism Act.
Chingaki chechion oyo kabere omwatoni general imeyense Justin Muturi igatebire buna chingaki bono cheikire chokobekirania amamocho amo irinde komoikia gose komoigorera amamocho omuraigwense gosio gwekigambero kakukwana asensemo ya Mathira Muturi nigo ayemochire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ase okobabwata basai na kubachanda erinde barwe amang'ana y'obolimo igoro y'abarayi nemono balia bakwamereria serikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
Being among the 4 most serious international crimes against humanity and genocide. Yes, they are included. And Kenya domesticated the Rome Statute through adoption or enactment of the International Crimes Act, which commenced on the 1st of January 2009. Torture is specifically forbidden. It is therefore a crime, and I want to challenge the lawyers in this country also. It is high time now we began preparing charges against William Ruto because the immunity that a sitting president enjoys and Article 143 is specifically removed by Clause 4 of Article 143. He can be charged. We need to begin.
Oyo noro mwerio wa mang'ana maya korwa Radio Buna 102.0 FM asenjera yogo ikirano wakirambuya muno asoko yetegera radio yao ya Radio Vuna iritirane na Alfred Mia tukuna ekiminero
uyu noro mweri ogwamangana magia asenchira yobwikirano
umubayinu w'irituko na Thomas Ongunda waura kwa muntu munene mpuma waura kwa mwana ntoro waura kwa muntu munene nkuma waura kwa mwana ntoro igintu gekogera abantu baura ninjara usomoroso gitekero bakire ororo umwana ukwaura onyanekero igutute iwone igitoro kia mucyakire okobo moroso gite mwari yara iyo tari injare kumwauria ekere injara ya munyarire yigagusabira ndagira gusurira oyo no moroso ikagiro umusi batebana kwaura kwa muntu munene nkuma kwaura kwa mwana ntoro asumu ibintu buri kireme ke Thomas n'umuguru yo sisi
Driving school nakoranyora amasomo rivugende Kigali gochakra class A2 A3 B1 B2 bicycle automatic B3 professional C1 light trucks CE a heavy trucks B1 ye Kigali chia PSV cyo kubugulia abantu 14 D2 na D3 ye Kibasi boygo bafata amasomo ye class F asabantu bari nobolema n'ikikosi kinke buna PCD executive basic mechanics basic first aid n'ekindi kinyinge Rocky driving school evanchiri na ATSA kurubukorerwa amasomo y'akararituko ino y'umucibosongo batarira samaga cha Market Plaza Nyakoe Kyuge Junction Ogembo banyore kimitemye ya mokuru bara ya Mbosura Nyamire barasamagacho Amanga Sama Petrol Station na Kilgoris Town Mbaleo Inyora Mbogote ofa ase bali bakorire Form 4 Wakrisimia sin number 0723 803 503 0723 803 503 Rocky Driving School. Safe driving is our top priority.
Kenya's School of Tibet.
What is it wrong?
Chumbe Sinoru Amatoke Amanenekerage Shigari Shikerero Riyomba Abukato Amaguta Chingoko Chiboete Nechigosori ao Chikogo Kyamaiso Asiriboa no bunyore kisi show Tara kisi show ground bosongo Gocha karachitariki komigote kominesi tuchumo tinyoga tano na kabero wakoyo Mwegokie Mwesemi Mwimanye Agricultural Society of Kenya Yaigoire Victoria Kisi Show South Kenya Branch Asebonsi Gocha karachita ikomina ibere mambia Goika ikomina ibere chia mogoroba Numanyingoro yoboro wekerero banking, hospitality na manufacturing eliokini obontole bwao goswaro na sabana imbiri nabantabana nechishilingi chimebere nemeronge tano ebiyombe byabana ikomi nechishilingi 150 abagotu 200 ibwatereri bagasogwa kesimya se namba 0712503925 kosina boko barikirari uko kisi@ask.co.ke www.ask.co.ke neri tukuri omwere gokorabo nechitariki kianda ASK promoting climate smart agriculture and trade initiatives for sustainable economic growth
Technical and vocational Education and Training Authority.
Ine notaka kubwatia emebere au enyubwete kasitibe bono dia matkeroka nikeokoretera chitibi chechinganjo chonsi nande chisaisi au pona chitibi chiri chesuni Hisense Samsung na Vision inyora dia matubaigo ne bale chihuva subhoovers chispika on speakers microphones chimixer chichaja chionsi chipuka chimicrowave amasasi ya chisimi chiredio na bwego chibetere solar panels chibasi chiflash disk chiheadphone electric cables blow dryers na vindo byonsi bigotumia stima dia matkeroka ne dukembo na ndia chirenguma ajerera bwegwatere tv asirigoliro mabuko korwase duka embo ya dia mata koromo chokeroka talera dia mat egotoka sebare ya keroka chuni opposite enegtari ya keroka gose bakere simi goitere number 0748 840 317 gose 0711 437 974 dia mat nige kokorogo chakarere tukolo Jumapili go kaijuma dia mat keroka na otore naje chinka kichionsie
Nyamira, Kisumu, Kirinda, East Africa.
Kwamba walijita itokia na tije jingo lengo teli na huko yera jimbo nike
kirari tukare Jumamosi go chakerense ya moya maragoba
alatani mai PhD
Abarai n'amagenderero
award
abarai n'amagenderero
n'ubundi negayigana n'ibikoroto byonsi n'ekivuti ntegerera tumuro buryo bwa abarai n'amagenderero
wata tariki na nyachaye Brian Bright
uyo rero woti yamwana yobora yubuja asigusiye ngima
Bright agutokere leo kuboreria bya kuringite bitukaserine buno mu Kenya bobo gusibontere gutayo abarai n'amagenderero kira Jumamosi kurenseye mu Maragoba gusi Kenya n'insingi manige tigerete
Alright, asante sana kabisa mwancho umutegererio radio Vuna 102.0 FM mega yoko nyora mangana magia senchirere yogo ikera nunere Alfred Mia chideka chachire merongibere maiga yechinsa isatochi abono kotoko iga se studio igotore live nere Professor Henry Onderi karo tukuriria mangana ichese mega iga sense ya Kenya na tuba siku ibo mwancho bategereri tore live boigo aliase omutandao o YouTube Radio Vuna 102.0 FM na boigo tore live ase omutandao o Facebook Radio Vuna 102.0 FM anye kubwate liboli lino chini chisemuranya ko baguko beka igoro yenkwane tubwate gasobo tukobuga bwalero na samangana ringete CBC and transition koro junior secondary which senior school nabo kunyara ko kubekaga bwe masemo karibu sana Professor Nseme ya kabere yenkwane yiga mapema na kubuliti na wote tinga kitaito cha oneji nyinge tinga kunyara kuchiatura Jones bino bo to pick up from there
mbia mono muralia soko ngira naenda se studio
yes
buna nabate di group Professor Henry Onderi kugwe professor nimbwate PhD but nanyore ta awards chindegatia award ndangani ikurukwa nabwate presidential huduma number karo President Uhuru Kenyatta ajide Kisii. I was among the 10 Kenyans banyore te huduma number na ayengete kopoko nganyora ICN, that is I Change Nations Award at 26th February 2022. This is a body, a global world lingma basically asinge jamangana ichisemi talikende kiagerete igona etu kabare recognize azina okora sikisi county man ichisemi kwa de kabaka wana wanda bandi bakaete ni jende mu chairman asinge jona alinge chairman ya county education board kolega asianene ekagera bakage beki wakange award award yene na kwa yawe kurukuma IPA International Peace Award nero igere echitasinge jechiseminaide ngakiacha kisi county konyantara solve ne chairman county education board chisekichia chisukune nyingi okwala kunga sukuru ya vungiru ere abekiru keburi ya gatate yuji moinawu kera lituko balimu babwata amani balimu abanene board sinchia bwata amani lakini ekero nazwa wethera se board yane tukaleta amani paka ngaewe award kurunga International Peace Award ngamea kwa ewe award yende kurunga transformational leadership in Africa na transforming leadership in the county and the Kenyan and the world at large in Africa particularly now they were given an award transformational leadership award in Africa. The last one, the most prestigious one, the president Ruto Bonaiga, OGW, Order of the Grand Warrior.
Okay.
That year, award your car was I go you go in Jeraka when you be. We recognize wetere asingi ya wakoli na ende still asingi ya kwalekande wetere asichisema na alikire vitabu na alikira masakara mange that's internationally refereed journals na kolega asi county education board na kolega asi obwalimu na kolega asi university na kolega a lot of research ono kaewa OGW I thank God for that. Igoji title hicho nichiane.
Johnson nichia.
Award jina nyoli.
Elia huduma nere kwa HSC?
Niyo HSC.
Oh, you go to
where alikuwa presidential huduma number.
Okay.
Ya PHN.
So you
one kerongoli ke lietaliane, ngoli ke nga Professor Henry Onderi, PhD, ICN, PHN, IPA, TLA, and OGW.
Literally, I'm going to complete
6 titles.
So you
I'm a director, Milman Excellence School.
Okay. So you are an total engineer. Mabarata ina
so kwenye rangang pio kale kasi studio. Abantu bokana baba propose. Kwa given something.
Okay. Yeah. But agarrete. Iko pacha korota chi propose chu.
Ukirete wacha kwa ba nominated.
Yes.
Wakiruzi me kwa nominated. Which you kwa awarded for this. You thank God for that.
All right. Yeah. Okay. So kero tuku digiriria mengenai ka transition kurwa junior secondary which as a senior school. I understand the process ya went ko era June 30th yo chora chiskuru mwana raga ni kuchunyera kwa baka wasoa at senior school bound ko chora around 12 schools. Maybe to igurira sinanga chiskuru ichinga kyo mwana kunyara kwa baka ko chora traditional into bato monda ko chora national schools county schools is there anything different?
A difference nailing about age pathways you will determine.
Okay.
One of your pathways are intended to you Koran Chirichi. Chiraga Nambemo, Egarachiko Koranga, Zukuru Kichiria, Chimofited, Rakinimba Tevetenga, Nevira Sinini, Nana Kijiwa Chorwa. The 12 schools.
Okay.
Nana Kijiwa Chorwa. Korengelinga Chirichiagaruki Nationals, which are very, extra county schools, Nivere, county schools nivere wame wachora na chiri cha sub county cha sino na chiri chweza kwa isane.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So kwa ndre mapema igoro ya pathways chikuru njiro chigosomi triple pathway yani chisemi chichonsi sato na njiro chigosomi dual pathway. Yani maybe
it's called double.
So maybe STEM plus 2 into kinga budikyo. Let's pick an example. For example, in school kuna bono Kereri girls. To pick in a school in Delhi county chikuruku. For example, Yotero SDA. So onye for example Kereri girls ngosomiere onye STEM na social sciences ngosomiere chonsi sato na gokwanda onye Yotero gose system ekaela ngosomiere maybe ibere ngosomiere chonsi sato. So omwana oyo gosoma gose nyamakuru to primary. What is likely to happen? Either end up in Kiriri or say end up in Yotero.
Number one, discrimination tells us a choice of schools.
Okay.
Discrimination tell you. Again, the way you determine is the performance you want. Let us not lie. To one thing mwana na wanyangu nyamakuru to mega lesser in terms of performance kubu mwana ule town ma. Again, they go kana wakiale. That's why na ruete meze karama ninko maharia. Ndaje tense gacha gocha sameta gacha kwa robo. Na wewe kaini. The same way it was over the choice is the same way it's going to happen.
Okay.
Yeah. Umwana tari kuba discriminated on accounting aruete uwe village school kuse kuwe urban center kuse private school. Chonsi kwa wacha kuwe kwa mo. Baligeli barengwe ngaki whether continuous assessment test na kipse kia kolete na ba isa kosoa samini sameda wasekereri. Yes, now it's also how you get the boys or the girls. Yes. Ingi kero you get the cover maybe the three STEM, the social sciences and art and sports sciences.
Okay.
One Korea tero na bakuirwa ajigo up to okora art and sports sciences. Oyo korunya makoro to aru ajigo kora social sciences. Olio koru wase magena primary ajigo kora STEM in the same school.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Prof, an example to the in school kuna alliance. Maybe ngosomiere all the pathways.
Yes.
Triple pathways. Umwanafunzi naliga are so good in sports. Extremely good. Maybe tari muyase as a sciences and these other things. Nabwate an opportunity yoko and alliance.
Nabwate opportunity and the reason no nekengi akabeiro kurukare balancing we kekoru.
Yes.
Regional balancing we kekoru in terms of admission. Toko expecting abana waliboka bakale science na which kind of alliance.
Okay.
Everyone nabwate a choice. I mean nabwate a chance yoko endo. Like yako yaro an option. You got the choice of the schools. When you are choosing alliance, like you go to sports. Alliance you go to art and sports science. When you go to social sciences, and you are very good who approve it. When you go join alliance for social sciences, you do that. When you go very well in sciences, and you go to alliance, or end alliance, you go STEM. Area correct.
Okay. So for the first time,
Kare 844. I mean 7 4 2 3. Now ya ringi. Now what do I kuru? No, that is why I not with the kissing kachiko and Thika High. Because Thika High, we have what both pure sciences, general sciences, and arts. It could admit any child from anywhere in the country. The same is going to happen this time. so long as the subject you call it buya I mean like you determine ngamba to you kyo kora in that school watch or which
yeah okay go for the first time na utara nyoro mwana wa the DS lakini aenda Alliance
it's how
because it's good in sports.
It's good in sports, yes. What will stop him from Korua or Chioro because it's not the performance per se in terms of grades. It is a performance in terms of talent, in terms of the areas of interest or passion. One who had interest in sports. Now Alliance they had an opportunity for this child. In CPE, the grades that much of a criteria, but they are looking at your strength. The other thing is your choice of your talent. What is it? What are you going to cover in future in pursuit of your career? When you go to I mean sports, go over that Alliance. Because Alliance bana mbali go mixed because wa sports go na social sciences ba go na STEM in the same class. They are going to be separate here kabeno na in the whole system. So what the pure science class, a general science class, and arts class. Some of the boys now talk about they from 4 area I pure science, from 4G I general science, from 4B I arts, pure arts.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
But they were doing common courses like the core courses like maths, English, Kiswahili.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ekoro prof to kuri ligen take one from title kitabu kilichokuwa tabego reality check.
Yes.
From elementary reality. Ichi sukuru nchiro chibinyoro mali chiri kurara chikulinsipo chikuramyo kikwa. N'abana mbakorete bose national exams. Lazo konyora nga onye bule example ni sabu omwana oyo temete pigo zine D-.
Yeah.
Abwate. So konyora nga majority ya baoro ko baroro baby sciences mbali ko kulibia. What I'm saying probability renga chisukuru ichi they are going maybe to pick these other pathways. So you're saying chisukuru njiro for example jita some STEM completely.
Esukuru rere etanyala mangana STEM. Reason ne.
Yes.
Tebuati equipments chire enough. Chira warrant abana ba choose the STEM. Onye sukuru tebuati laboratory ere well equipped. Ngakio mwana wikoto wasora ume STEM. And epika na wacha kanyara during the exam time.
Okay.
That one yeah.
All right. So karukuri li issue ibona ukuroa seri soli omwibori. Omete mwibori naro bwato mwana mungaini abakora iki science sebe lakini opted kumuira esukuru eli kenyora because nabagwa afford. Lakini bono here comes a system onyo mwana ukari maybe good in sciences. This school is not offering STEM. The only option yabwate no kumuira nyenkisi school gose Nyambalia gose somewhere else gose not Alliance. Ngaki balancing kunyara kwa bakeo korwa kigaro mwiboli na bagote baye mpiyana STEM kwa bige tu anya STEM teyo ga kirongoro ya secondary ono njire ndeteyo kwende kirongoro ya kole go sense sports
awono tware ku caution ya bayiboli nga bakonya abana so make the right decisions tiba konya abana to make the wrong decisions when umwana ukuma I think are very weak in sciences lakini wote tuko mfosi hiyo kwa science nayo mwibuli jo kwa matemo zinu mwana nayo mwibuli jo somo zinu mwana kete mwi karaza eno mwana mwi wane ngaki pesa njisa indiko school B nera zegete ebuate the subjects jiyo kwa ogo tagete lakini nebuate the equipment jire right I mean jire good for STEM none school ili wakwana te wanja kubeko mwana STEM kaba manyete ngamba bwati equipment hiya no kumaina bana umwibuli mo konyo mwana ko make the right choice tiga kojigo te bangu mwana ile tu school ngao na nde kwa erenge party asoko chole school we
okay
bona giko robe kiro ochore o assist umwana kochore school is the right one. Yeah.
All right. Naro kwa prof ne omwana oyo no mungaini nali good of course abana bose nabangaini nali good in the sciences abwente koba school ko offer STEM lakini nonye the previous system na yabeire nabo mwana kunyara 400 marks abwente ko in the national school lakini asinge nchiyo kunyara ko muibori yabetereri omuira maybe the county school wasento kinga nekyo Bueno, in this case, kwanyora maybe a school was in a county school telecover STEM. Omwana oyo is good in sciences. I went to cover STEM. Orangeli wagenda was an alliance. Lakini in terms of affordability, omoiboli asaro chenga affordability and convenience. Omwana oyo wagenda kwa somaro asa kugando ira na nyomba asenko nyara.
The reason why a government will attend the bursaries. Ibu ate ndo scholarships. Ibu ate ndo yani go support the programs kia banafunzi bali batali kwenyara. Iwono no mwiboli onyonyoro mwana iru asatali kwenyara. Ni atanya we carry report to the relevant office. Mwana yawe bursary ajiwe konya. Kiagera kumuforce agende saiga moino primary I mean secondary yetabu ati STEM nande umwana oyo are very good in sciences umwana oyo wano tagi go maximize to exploit the talent kera CPC by the way the CPE the objective nailinga umwana ngo bako identify the talent they nurture that talent like go nurture the talent in an area umwana that interested in we go to a interest in that area utagete go so umanye ko ba nurtured in that area talent ya eme was come out umwana are very good in the sports lakini utagete kumforce aso into STEM like kwa mokonya bana so igora whatever there are many other sources of funds other than jiricho mwibuli igoto baso kutiwa ko iru umwana asata kire ko irwa ajigo benefit which will exploit the talent yaye elindo mubeka so tagete for your convenience kuito mwana.
But what you're saying prof no ananda 844 tera kolemere masabe boli abange abana mbara abange who got good marks lakini singe nje boli tari kunyara
information is power nawe kunyara kana mwibuli oyo tabwate information nga the bursaries chikoba over come to think of it the various cadre of leadership in the community
yes
the political leadership the MP the MCA the governor the women rep the senator all these people what is their role their role is to identify such cases baranga ba supportiri on behalf of the government
abebuli mbale bara kesi migega prof bagotevinga na atarete oisite yo na chiete lakini tinyorete bokonyo mweli nkabete lingiro mwana esukuru yekinyo no korete buyasa matemo that is the reality asense to menyete
ibone ni reality
yes
kome akwevolinga ki igorende it means the choice of the leadership to akorete is the wrong one and so we will come to the point now as a leader, I mean as a voter. I hear we will voter. Did you participate in the election? You were participated. Why during the election no I got get it? Lakini as soon as akore wacha akauta go konya. Nchiota achore romuntu uju konya. Yes, that's the point. Lakini information is power.
So that means
karama nyanga ki what sort of assistance you tagete na yura nyanyole to kwenda to an office and rotate assistance of this kind we go get to a specific office because nere what specific kind of assistance
okay so that means because ngana ya leadership has been a problem from 1963 to the independence kira election cycle abantu badanga abantu to chora baraya baya lakini no day kwenye kwa admission ngatu achori nawe the same dilemma it means nguchire ko base a transition yaye omwana ari so good maybe in STEM lakini abitereribu agende school yetali ko for STEM asome go social sciences and arts and sports sciences asenge njata liko nyara na asenge njata ikere ni support kurwa serikali asenge njira mangana yugo kurumi under the systems na yugo chagenda
that I understand.
Yes,
Lakini wantu kusaba abantu baito baligirili the essence yo introduce CPC ngikia to introduce CPC watu watakete to identify talents chabana tuchinaje meaning tujibutaterere pakumwana uri ekerege ntakale theki atakete
okay
aso wata support umwana oyo it means umwana oyo talent itari yo kare tari yate ndoitetie umwana oyo ndoitetie community so amaging leaders egera rende no mwiburi no werete kumenya who is the leader utakire kokonya amaging the leaders na wako yanaone kanisa we even have leadership in church wanya waende kanisa ndio tawateberia church leaders watevinga umwana one wasigete konye they can assist
abangenda barakora
ayabone gento rengereti nembi uyu tari wikera muntu rengereti nemsie uyu tari okora e church leader no yakorete no era
abangi kanisa ndo barakonya no gusabira
masabo kanaro ne gento kige ile kira kige 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 without masabo binde mbiko bakugusabira onyo wigira sigabana bakugusabira onyo wigira sembi owe konyire igonjira algo sabanga leaders baita sababeta tiga bakonya abana abo but being the first time dojo kanyora abana babo join schools there will be teething problems.
Okay,
some of those will be the challenges like how we surmount them will depend on how we shall be able to handle the situation.
All right kero tukunye kwero bere nchiko buri siminke ko kurwase omotegereri bono omwana yo soire senior school grade 10 ngake go transition to grade 12 go chia tertiary kigara iko bari in different pathways understanding within the pathways also ndo wate go snake track ngaki bono mwana ya go translate yo ndachage ndonye university kero ndaje no zine polytechnic yo ndachage ndase such institutions
kero to wate 844
yes
wana bara kora standard 8 abantu bagendera ahead bagenda to secondary abantu ba drop bakora other things including we join TVET institutions. The same thing bakwika form 4 abantu bahita bagenda to high school university abantu bazigara bagenda to TVET institutions. The same thing which will happen pathways segara jikiri. There are institutions of higher learning university na jira chikabuate pathways na jira onye go lucky enough to perform very well in sciences you will be able to be taken to a institution or the university and go over STEM courses. For example, go to the doctor why did through the STEM pathway why kire wono ko endole university college grade 12 kaidende kana wajo kora matemu ikabaji kora matemu naro grade 12 nonya administrative pronounce itself there must be some exam which go anywhere transition from senior secondary to university one kere which go to mo to perform well enough just like it used to happen in 844 borenda abantu bande wikabaso TVET courses abantu bagendera to universities abantu bagendera to other institutions or even to other businesses. Others will even get to the job opportunities in the market.
Okay.
Yeah.
So at what point for example mwana kwenda polytechnic currently yenye kwa sinyere to class 8 aliyo mwana kwenda polytechnic
not only the class 8 mpaka form 4 mpaka ngoenda balenge amine baede tebuya polytechnic was bagende village polytechnic Italia.
Yes.
I think maybe you Tenyara was bagenda other institutions wakaenda KMTC ngine jari ko allowed paka bona bizukurigiria jari yitro na magazeti abantu ba baidete batakiri kwenda university lakini baka opt kugenda KMTC ose Kenya Community Polytechnic. That time tu obwate criteria ngana ki kwa ule tujidi university kwa genda polytechnic waetire kwenda university kwa opt kwenda polytechnic. The same thing ekera wako cha weta wako karama temo they will use a criteria kitara manyangiri kiyo cha kwa kera ngira wa determined as yet. But remember, presidential working party in education reforms in Kenya came up with a raft of suggestions and proposals ngana give individual you always konyore their recommendations which can be found even now when you download it you realize that but everything from grade 12 ngakyo transit to university. But we kebe when you go very good in STEM we go into to university cover STEM courses. Cover sports in energetic narrow. Cover social sciences in energetic narrow. University na wacha cover in the same way high school you go to a triple pathways. To dual pathways or single pathway. But then so far and try what is going to happen. Let's wait and see how it happens. But remember, there's a lot of emphasis on Havana we join TVET. Reason being, Kenya is poised to be a middle income country by 2030 under Vision 2030. Remember to get some skills which will enable the country to achieve Vision 2030. Mainly offered by the middle level colleges, including the polytechnics, the TVET institutions. The government will spend half of money these days to support the Havana before. Yes, again, self-employment nere again to get a key. Yaga one Havana baba the way which are supported but you go to a self-employment. But others, whenever university still they will continue at university.
I'm looking at one of your core STEM senior school. Maybe now what are the options? So, for example, takole to a certain level. Now, it are going on in a polytechnic, a diploma, on your karo, for example. So, you call it so good, never going to university. But I'm also looking at one of your social sciences, also sports and art sciences. Yes, no, also take a social sciences, like any performance here at a senior school, maybe 3 get. So, are we envisioning a scenario where also those who go to a polytechnic, social sciences
institutions in general, you some social sciences, you go continue or some social sciences, not necessarily polytechnic.
So Nabu senior school or only qualified because of social sciences polytechnic. Like it in university.
Social sciences now you go in a polytechnic. There would be other subjects you can introduce in the socials. I mean the polytechnic because the curriculum keep on changing and new programs can be introduced. So now we're going to have 844 system right now. There was a lot of uncertainties. Like it is stabilized later. One of a certificate or a diploma or ahead of a degree, first degree, second degree, back a PhD. The same will happen during that time. What will stop the program will continue the way because progression in academics. Yes, and the careers as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, Prof. So, one for example, Tigiri School Junior Secondary. Currently, one got Tigiri was in Krasi, in the back on the village polytechnic yali. Nyore Megari Makega, Nyora Mokonyi. One, for example, dropped out of school at junior secondary. Options kiabwate with the current system because it's almost compulsory nga kuike senior school.
Government policy of 100% transition from primary to secondary. Tiriyo te nasengenjo nando wa the CPE. We keko gendera because under the Basic Education Act 2013, Chapter 4 on rights, bills of rights of a child is entitled to basic education in Kenya. Umuibuli to ngata ko give one a basic education. Igare vulnerable, cover imprisoned, also cover fined. It is spelled out in the Basic Education Act in Kenya 2013, and also enshrined in the Constitution of Kenya 2010. One, basically, one we call junior and the senior secondary. What is basic education? Basic education is secondary education, primary education, and the teacher training. Those are the three that form basic education. So we are saying that training which is cover at certain level, middle level colleges in Jirusiku, KMTs which is teacher training colleges which is they'll be offering diplomas. So students, whether you go in Yaraba and the university, they will join those institutions. But they will also be joining the institutions based on the pathways. These institutions are aligned to the pathways.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So kirukuli lienteke entirely to changes that you kumyoka impact kikirlai kirikutuaras the private sector.
In the kick on
the entire thing system
CPE.
Yes, especially now Karutuku Chakra senior school, now we're going to tertiary. What's like the impact to which cover say the private sector?
Private sector, I can't understand which private sector. Is it in terms of
employment? The private universities.
Okay.
In terms of enrollment, especially.
Enrollment.
Yes.
Now, right now, the government kurua wanafunzi through COSIPs. Ya place ya wanafunzi in higher institutions of learning. They are place ya wanafunzi both private and public universities. They place ya wanafunzi both public and private middle level institutions like KMTCs. They place ya wanafunzi paka TTCs, teacher training colleges. So I don't envision a situation as a any effect at all as any private institutions. Not at all. If anything, private institutions might end up gaining more than the public. For which reason? Because private schools or institutions normally have got more facilities compared to the public. Right now, as we are talking, the government capitation to schools, I had several days ago, several months ago. In fact, not the percent that was expected. The little that was given is already prioritized on what should be done. Those facilities that constructed or put in place in Chio. Like this private institution, never had a way of getting these facilities. Institutions. So meaning students will prefer the private institutions to the public institutions.
Okay. What about the level of senior school? The level of senior school, because there is a private secondary.
The same.
Maybe a picking up also social sciences, sports and something like that. Maybe STEM in terms of equipment. She can anything going to afford as a private investor. Again, at the end of the day, when you're Avana very qualified to that pathway, Avangi maybe have been absorbed by the government. in other schools?
Not necessarily.
Because I think maybe
Because
senior school still no more will decide because ngumo irande private.
Fine. Nonya need for four system.
Yes.
The decision is between Umuivuli, Umwana, the school. Umuivuli na wale utakairo umwana school yetata keze umwana kane. Umwana agende school akareteki atakete.
Okay.
Inga kinera ikirega. Ngeka yatabote ya Umuivuli ngeki. Ikanaza umwana o muagiri. Nganga yischool kiataketa wasoa.
Okay.
Idea nga have said injo Umuivuli roteyo. Still, the same thing will happen. Private schools, those pathways.
Yes.
We can what facilities chiro and equipments. You warranty abana for STEM. Go back abana for STEM when you have facilities in Chio. So you have to prepare.
Okay.
Una a private investor, we go prepare unaona Milimani Excellent School. Kaito wana ntutu wachaki wepanga, tojo kubeka kwende STEM and all the three pathways in the school.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright. Asante sana mwancho mategelia sengencho chinsa cheto chia chire ndete koroli baga asonde oganite ko kwanira mangana iga witira 0785102102 ndara chikuligelia sense mwe chia semester divuna halo. Yes. Alright. Yes, asante sana se libo lelio. Radio Vuna hello. Yes, Shem. Okay. Alright. Asante sana Shema se libo lelio. Kuruchese mechuchia keumbu kwa na mwananchi mwanchoni telu 0785 102 neresemi okunyara kwa wako kutumeka Radio Vuna hello. Wairibia. Irole raliboli awesi miaonko network terbi. Okay. Sawa asante sana nachikuira ndali liboli elio abatumiti gose mngana inasira sense ya Kenya. Radio Vuna hala. Yes, Clinton. Mhm. Mhm. Yes. Mhm. 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 Ainga kiwa chorete. Okay. Alright, asante sana kabisa. So wake simi and I'm glad to know wanafunzi mbaro bategerete elinde kuire information also say wanafunzi bande gali ya seche skuru kuenekea we are making the right choices as far as tipatu esechiga chire concerned wancho tili tero chapto kideka isato mega ichinsenye chia bono botuko chinsa chetu chikali kuminyoka sana ribori ndrega gali ya lengali mama profase SMS let me check it. Let me check it. I think I'm going to get and go reading. Only see me only because of time. Ready for hello? Mhm. Mhm. Irora libolio. ECD. Mhm. Okay. Mm. So you are saying training ECD cha rural? What the D? DCE. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Okay. So. All right. Asante sana bano because of time. Prof liboli elio na borali understanding ako tebanga karagana ECD anyadro kwa bage kororo. Currently you do diploma in child education DCE. I don't know what is that about.
Tindengere tinga biamono mo yo minto aso kuboli swalili. Tindengere tinga ni ECD ya rusiwo. Ento government ya tebete rokuruzia P1 pabeke diploma in teacher education. Uyo minto watange ente kiase enjera ye ndonge ekiagera ECD ngakiera betebo abana tubwate bale ku play group PP1 PP2 mpaka grade 3 ngoyi kubasomi uyika basomi une training bakwenda through ya ECD. ECD means early childhood development education. You go introduce a diploma in teacher education. That is basically for primary education. I mean teachers. Our ECD remain.
Okay.
And when they can get one was a government inviting a year mitake rusiti. Na injiri na onda akiu for the first time.
Okay. Mwanafunzi ulio grade 9 katika ulibodi yae atepanga batetunga in every pathway wako pick 3
subjects. And that's what I said.
Yes.
Nothing mere 7. 4 get compulsory.
Correct.
The 2 ochikuru as a pathway ili mwana acholi.
3.
The 3.
Yes.
Lakini 2 of them na bora take jamini chikuru as a pathway ili.
Okay.
1 na wekuru as a pathway ndewas. Chima kwa 7.
Okay.
Watinda change na chikwere nde nkwa na njale ngengao. Yes. Na wachohora the 3 kurua se pathway ili. Na wachohora 2 kurua se pathway ili yao. Lakini anochore yende kurua se pathway ngao. Ili ya gatatu. Subject ya gatatu.
Okay.
Yeah. Like now na wasoma pathway ya STEM. Awezo kwa the math, physics, chemistry, biology. Umanya kurua robeke geography. Geography eranda social sciences. Usobeke home science
Mm.
yeranda creative art yeranda art and sports
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. I think I very understood. So what I'm seeing is which kuma chikwa mneli university do what the common units.
Yeah, the option.
Very
Yeah,
interesting.
that's right. Yeah.
Very interesting days
Yeah.
ahead.
Yeah.
Kurogembu gare ko bolinga ngane ya ereo currently okanda kwa kambo kosino mwali bwesukuri gete konyera kabaga ku a system is it ending it naturally go se bado nabo
Umete a system wedaling era officially accepted.
yes
Rakirende abakenya bende bakora ebintu paka byaba byarekana nk'ebiro official igo nabo bigocha kugendera lakini government etari aware ekira kitogotanga abantu kurugo konyana nabo muiburi okwenda okonywe but really it's not something official.
Okay, all right. Bado bagache chinamba
Chinamba tigagotuta tigagotuta
tokumanya
zoja kukonyeka.
Okay. Shemuga observation eringa korenga system ya 3/4 is dependent as survival. In terms of cushioning survival, do you see the government doing better?
One thing to clarify, it's not 3/4. Perhaps shemu no tara keubia. Mwibuli ko era no mwana 3/4 of the day. Ngo ko era no mwana.
Mwalimu.
Umwibuli wate munga ko iru assignment, mwana iru assignment. Ogenda omukonye assignment ili yao karaka. Kai 3/4 ya rugo ko bangu mwibuli ategemei. Engoko yitakeire eri engoko. Umwalimu tari jikoririye nayo mwibuli ukoririye. Kati bintu bingere 3/4 naye. But a system ye gotebanga ki omwibuli omwalimu n'omwana abakubwatira nasa masomo 30% jere give atengo omwibuli erenge 3/4 omwibuli omwalimu n'omwana ere akubota yaye kero omuntu abwate role ya play omwana abwate role yo make sure ngokore assignment yaire omwibuli nabwate role ko make sure ngo assist omwana okora assignment umwalimu nabwate role yo ko give assignment nako ko make sure nge assignment ya kwaliru ande kwenye supervisor kwenye mark
Okay
kwa ndoro chiti kwatanga ya
okay all right uli kubuli go ya repeating this one is likely to happen prof gara umwana na bako mwibuli akatemungoyo gachole twachiko so pathway ya sports and art sciences igene mwibuli ategetenga tango stem kwagenda so afeeling atango nkoirora elindo to liba kalikia lyo so system
okoirora tali phenomenon ya chakalero ngendo kia lengo na ngendo kero
yes
katika menji gitega kana mwana take koirora reasonably nemis
yes
nemis ya bana bali ko entered into the nemis ekwende yawe track ekubwatiwa kuruna waswaete nursery delito wa the playing group mpaka kao kule university onekero uchikuirora track yengu chiro karaki kusarekere
okay
lakini ari kare jinga yaya ntoga ninga toiroria abana tiga abana to beni kare jiba work very hard bagendera paka bakure
okay
yeah
umwana
kindekera ya very mabe there's no problem kumirol for reasons very genuine
okay yeah all right yes I've gotten this question here recording a prof it is being said there is going to be an effect in the transition on either boys schools or girls schools
an effect
nabali begetego program ilinga for example nye school kireya wa murabuka lakini
bameko ba mixed
we will still have the same
I
thing.
don't think nerego but there is nothing wrong kobabo there is only nduwade yokindo boys to atwari yokindo girls
yes
isukuru iki kasi purely boys igere muino purely girls igerega ngaki girls baratake bachikobeka boys ase compound yabo ngaki boys baratake girls ichikobeka compound. I don't think unless to interpret the question hivyo. However, chisukuru injire okonyora chikale far apart. Wanyora nero yoke cover STEM as a region yeyo.
Yes.
Agerere STEM yoka boro wika batware wing ya girls and a wing ya boys egere ba benefit kurwasiji kwende pathway. Ende kingi akabeiro kale ikiagera nono ninyo tena someri Tombe is purely girls school. But ya bayibuli mbaje bakakwana boys bakabekwo because nero yalenge the only school aside you were the facilities and equipment. Yeah, work at for 844. So there's nothing wrong with Tuare school. What a pathway, a very attractive. Abana basoro nabo batake abayibuli batake abana bawe girls bawe involved as a pathway. I find no problem with it. Nabeko nyalika.
Okay. But judging kuro trend secha 844 onekera matema gutanga suko nga boys did much better in sciences, girls wakora in languages and so forth. So only for example girls school like offer STEM, lakini maybe the number of yaba nyaruka very qualified kukora maybe STEM wegerenke. You don't think naturally go to forced to be a boys school
possible, but in taite kukwana a university rero 3/4 of boys, I mean girls, wakanya wajo in university than boys. Kale ya lenge 3/4 no wajo boys than girls. Things keep changing.
Okay.
Goto wate banga STEM ye uchi kobe kongwa sawa iseke. These days abaiseke bakora sciences like any other. You want to go to a research and to go to such a hook.
Okay.
No, nothing like that.
Yeah. All right. Right, asante sana kabisa Prof Keronde to kwa chinga kechega andake korwe nkwana yo mweli especially aso muibo lyo gotegerete nane bali bana bali grade 9 bali at this point of transition na bali mumba gotegerete. What is it that you go batia so to go
nambe abalimu do your work professionally. Konya abana bakora the right choice. Konya abana pursue their passion in their careers. Choose a career bakora. Namba ibere umuibuli ubwatu mwana grade 9. Take time wikaranze no mwana understand pathway kiacholire naye accept nge pathway the right one. Namba isatu ayo mwana no what a choice to make. The future depends on you. The choice you cross bono will determine your future. If you make the wrong choice, it means you will have made the wrong future choice in the future. You go na together from both sides. Make the right. You make the judgment, but you make the right choice. Nale kusaba to basaba tegemea friends or colleagues wakumiziguide. Oja make a choice just because you monta quarreling your friend go korale STEM. Oja gomya koja system because your friend is chiro.
Yes.
Genda to the course if you feel it and what the capacity. Ojo kornando o enjoy go kora. So kore by the way ojo ko emechando or to are stress throughout your school life. You get it?
Actually, Prof Konyoiri debate ya Kavere High School, but ya physics, CRE, business studies, agriculture.
Yes.
Konyoro mandawacho na njomite physics ngokora.
Kana was on high school. Well, gara tubuate mnaona ringe form 4 red ngokora pure sciences.
Yes.
I was looked at as if I was in a requira or more superior than you buate or I mean purely arts.
Yes.
nale gote kingi base gutumisi gaid
konyoro muntu ndo betiri ya chakore abazore erinde neralekanene n'umutindi
na isiko galia kwame gote yo bantu na inje physics ngokora
yes
lakini utari kwenyara kwenda kugwa gusinge ukwe force it was something getting for you.
Correct.
The same thing is happening now. Ekero go make a choice, make the right choice. Don't make the choice influenced by your peers, influenced by maybe circumstances or conditions. Kwa engel ngako sawa ndo acha kwa ndege ngane atsinacho kwa rose nginacho kwa kora what is your passion.
Okay.
That's why CBC got the talents. Identify your talent. Help, I mean, ask the teachers why help to identify your talent. Or whether no we would you or choose the right choice.
Okay.
Or make the right choice.
All right. All right.
Yeah. And then go on boarding and go on commentary.
Actually, everybody I saw it on Facebook as you were giving your last statement. Does it mean abana for example STEM? Amangana co-curricular activities the moment there's was STEM amangana co-curricular activities they are done with it
no nekara tu alenge university
yes
tu abwate courses chikuruma PE physical education physical education umuntu na wale ko endra gukora the courses umuntu bwese still co-curricular activities na ujya ko na bali batari gukora PE the same ekero ujya gukora art and sports sports science does not mean I have only world purely in sports. There could be other courses or social sciences or I mean or some STEM courses.
Lakini mwana uyo STEM for example karo yokomenya kwa kuso kwa
you.
Is it assessed?
No, it may not be assessed. Just like now 844.
Yes.
Kwa mwalenga assessed through I mean for curricular activity.
But in the,
why are you asking?
In the CBE, it contributes to your marks.
But it's not going to be compulsory. This other one, yo, we keep a compulsory. This is a choice. If you decide, you can make a choice.
But then Nabako one will STEM, very good in sports.
That is it.
If it's not assessed, then now
we
is
are
it
talking
benefiting?
about the talent. One who are very good in science, like about the talent in sports. Taji who decide for arts and sports sciences. Lakini can be able to do the sports activities of his choice,
which is not assessed.
Maybe I don't know whether it will be assessed or not. Lakini rende purely in Bora we call STEM we rende rako assessed. This other one maybe these are optional. Maybe only university do optional subjects.
Okay.
Manya high school do optional subject. Kwa uli saidinga okala theory ibali history.
Yes.
Here ndekero decide because now you will make a decision. One day you will be assessed on what you have chosen.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Probably it's going to be again to go whatever na go pick one subject from the other part.
Yes, that's it. That's another thing about the STEM. Like in your pick one of the subjects from the arts and sports sciences.
Yeah. Interest.
The interest.
Thank you so much, Prof. Your last word.
My last word. Wanganji tise na kiagareta ngacha school ko Milimani Excellence School. Na edito lova kana nge German County Education Board kisi counting. Ngara ega punjale ngo. Ega nitinga na ilitwa nyara tokonya wanafunzi. So we introduce school. Ocha school ko Milimani Excellence School. Ine ya gareta ngacha Milimani Excellence School rinde konya bantu. Excellent Milimani echa to go to play group if you are to grade 1 to up to grade 9. They're registered by the ministry and the cooperative societies. Ike go to kaga iga Milimani area of Kisii town. Koru kwere de koru Mashauri Gali Junction. It will take about 1.5 kilometers, 2 kilometers. Waika sagu alonya home opposite no ere. And wakanyara kurwe barere rami gore sema. rende abana tutagete kuri chiguru pechos is pocket friendly fees na to tumegetenze erenze sana by the way asaba imuri paka nage kwa paka ebe moto boda ebe moto ne buyensi no ya very much because the quality of education to cover ne irigo you to understand the mara yamate yama mini yama somo twanyora go over to the transport to wajigalisa to you can wherever you are now to go and to go more go over to lunch and break mwana unao gete mambi tarari kende saa 3 nyure chai bali ba ECD saa 4 bali ba primary ba nyure chai and ile ni by around 3 o'clock by ni they are very good in sports and sciences and social sciences chi pathway chose go kwa jiri as a school and then it me on your security ne no rekiana to get very tokol is a very good place you come bali mutuli getentu mai tentu kuri kondo best ko mwalimu wa trained to mukora interview akende kina bazinjiro z'abantu baitu bali mo trained na bomo konyara no opportunity apply ono negeka to ile school ba this is an opportunity na konyara ka sokore na bantu ro supply meals and foods na inumura allowed more at school negeka to yebegeto na ko saba more at abana una toko to endrete ya na bomo koleta abana at any level.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Prof. Always a pleasure, Kovana. Igaiga Studio.
Yeah.
You are a walking reservoir of knowledge and education. Thank you so much. All right.
It's a pleasure.
Asante sana kabisa basi wanu mwanjo butegere you nere Professor Henry Onderi o
Henry Rayonka Nyabuto Onderi.
The title the most prestigious OGW.
Yeah. Order of the Grand Warrior.
Very good.
Yeah.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night. All right. Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Sana sana masoro mwanjo butegere ko chanda sura sekretari katambe.
Yeah.
Nataka ukubeka mpaka saa 6 lakini na ngotikile.
Jadi buat kau dah nol kau nol pada sama zaman.
Sukuru gal, very sukuru, sukuru.
bakorande nalituranyora bali mu bagosomye gakie nalituranyora chimusician nalituranyora nechikomedian nalituranyora chipolitician gakie sukuruga sukuruga digama chesayo sukuruga sukuruga Very sukuru sukuru boy sukuru boy digama chesayo sukuru boy Very sukuru Sukurugal, digama chesayo, sukurugal, sukurugal, very sukuru, sukuru boy, digama chesayo, sukuru boy, very sukuru, e champion ngo kwanane, chumo sirangeli na balibande, otari kwetu koyorane, senge chume yego yerane, amasomo na bakogero bege tutagete, nabagoko aye bitutagete, nagokoro munta bantu basigete, gakie, nagokora sumati sitairigete, nagosoyi mpaka chiyo bisigete, nagoyurukie mpaka chisigete, gakie, kene tukuru wasome, mambi nayo yoke, uchego kunyo abande, gakie, sukurugal, sukurugal, digama chesayo, sukurugal, sukurugal, very sukuru, sukuru boy, digama chesayo, sukuru boy, very sukuru, manyeke sakuketa sometina bantu bakasometigo tambenigo babuchaiwa, ogenda sabantu bamitikigo tebigwa yokire kinya tobwatige dogoteba, I just don't man, enerukiye I just don't man, yuko sensi geno so man, watige tabu I just don't man, nalitora nyora chidu itecha mambi, nalitora nyora bakasa bakurandi, nalitora nyora balimu bagosomye, gakie, nalitora nyora chi musician, nalitora nyora chi comedian, nalitora nyora chi politician, gakie. Sukurugal, digama chesayo, sukurugal, very sukuru, sukuru boy, digama chesayo, sukuru boy, very sukuru, kene sukuru asome, mapinayo yoke, uchego kunyo abande, gakie. Nalitora nyora chido itacha mambi, nalitora nyora babasa bakorande, nalitora nyora balimu bagosomye, gakie. Nalitora nyora chi musician, nalitora nyora nechi comedian, nalitora nyora chi politician, gakie. Sukurugal, digama chesayo, sukurugal, very sukuru, sukuru boy, digama chesayo, sukuru boy, very sukuru. Sukurugal, digama chesayo, sukurugal, very sukuru, sukuru boy, digama chesayo, sukuru boy, very sukuru, e champion ngo kwanane, chumo sira
sumati sitailete nago soy mpaka chio isigete nago yurukie mpaka chisigete dakie kete tukuru wasome mambina yoke uchego kunya bande dakie sukurugal diga machesa yo sukurugal Bere sukuru boy diga machesa yo sukuru boy Bere sukuru manyege sabu keta sometina bato baka sometigo tambene go babo chayo Mogenda sabanto ba miteti go tebi gwa yo kire kinga to ba tige dogo tema I just so mad I just so mad you go was sige no so mad what do you know I just so mad nalitora nyora tindo kitencha mambi nalitora nyora bapasa bakurandi nalitora nyora bali mubago somye dakie nalitora nyora chi musician nalitora nyora chi comedian nalitora nyora chi politician dakie Sukurugal diga machesa yo sukurugal Bere sukuru boy diga machesa yo sukuru boy Bere sukuru so man mambina yoke uchego kunya bande kakie nalitora nyora chido itacha mambi nalitora nyora bapasa bakorandi nalitora nyora balimu bagosomye kakie nalitora nyora chi musician nalitora nyora chi comedian nalitora nyora chi politician kakie sukurugal diga machesa yo sukurugal Bere sukuru boy diga machesa yo sukuru boy Bere sukuru Sukurugal diga machesa yo sukurugal Bere sukuru boy diga machesa yo sukuru boy Bere sukuru champion go kunande chumwa sirangeli na bali bande utai kwetu go yorande senge chumbe go yerande amasomo na batokero bege tutageti nabago ko aye bindo tageti nago koro munta kwanto basigeti dakie nago kore sumati sitaileti nago soy mpaka chio bisigeti nago yurukie mpaka chisigeti dakie Tukuru wasome mambina yoke uchego kunya bande kakie sukurugal diga machesa yo sukurugal Bere sukuru boy diga machesa yo sukuru boy Bere sukuru Yeah.